Motorola is introducing Moto RAZR Plus 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Design of the phone will be unique, capable to beating the folding smartphones. Motorola Moto RAZR 2025 will be a foldable LTPO AMOLED panels, and the internal folding screen will stick with the 6.9 inches. You will view things in Full HD plus display, resolution of 1080 by 2640 pixels, and there will be smooth refresh rate of 165 Hz. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. And to give more power this phone, there will be an octa-core processor. And for best graphic results, there will be a GPU of Adreno. Moto RAZR Plus will be paired with a 12 GB of RAM. And internal memory capacity will be 256 GB. The dual camera setup will be used on the back of this amazing phone. And main sensor will be 50 megapixel with LED flash. And front camera will be 32 megapixel for best video recordings. The battery will be 4000 mAh with fast charging support. Android 15 operating system will run with this phone. That's all for now and thanks for watching.